Welcome to Module 4. In this module, we'll be taking a look at website and menu structure. I think this is the most critical part of creating a website. If you get this right, 50% of your work is done. And then the other 50% is just filling in the blank. So let's go to bubble.us, and then what I'll do is I'll move this bubble right here, and what we'll do is we'll take a look at my business, which is the photography business. What kind of things do I need to have showcased on my website so my potential clients can look at the stuff that I have to show them and learn more about me? So let's say I want to look at my website called markkumar.com. And when somebody goes into markkumar.com, what's the first thing I want them to go to? I want them to go to a page called homepage. That's the first thing I want them to go to. And then once they're there, I want them to look at some of my best work or my best photograph. So I could just say best photographs to be shown. And then once they're there, another option could be right next to it. What I want them to do next is look at, there could be another option called gallery. And once they're there, what I want them to do is look at different, come on, let's go, Bubba. And once they're there, I want them to look at a different kind of photographs that I have taken. It could be weddings. And let's create another one, come on. And it could be portraits. It could be models, if I can spell it. and then anything else I can think of. And then another thing or another menus I can add is it could be testimonials. And in here, what I want to do is I want to show my potential clients the letters that my past clients have written to me, telling me how much they appreciate and love the work that I have done for them. Or another option could be I could have videos of my happy clients telling me that how much they love and how much they love my work, and they would highly recommend me to somebody else and all their friends for that matter. And then another bubble could be about me, the things that I want them, my potential clients, to know. So it could be about me. And another bubble or another menu could be, let's see, contact us. And these are the different options that my website will have. Think of all these top menu: home, gallery, testimonial, about me, and about us as a different buckets. A bucket that you're gonna put your information in, the content, your pages. That's what those menus are. Those are your pages. Pages where just think of pages as in terms of like a notepad, if you will. You get one binder or one notepad, which we will call a home. And on that notepad, you're going to write everything that you want the home page to have. And the home page could be your very first thing your potential clients will see. Or put it another way, think of when you get a book. What's the very first page that you open it up? It's a person's biography, or it could be a table of content, or it could be anything else. The very first thing that you want your potential clients to see, that's what you want to put on your homepage. For my business, I want my potential clients to see the best of the best work that I have done. That's what I want them to see. And then after that, they can navigate to different menu options to learn more about me. They can go to my gallery section and then look at all the weddings that I have done. they can go to my portrait section and look at all the portraits I have done, models, and so on and so forth. And for my testimonial part, they can read my letters, and then they can watch the videos. And then about me, they can learn more about me. For example, what I'm all about, what do I stand for, how do I take pictures, and stuff like that. And then contact us could be where I will have information where a person can, how they can contact me. They can send me an email, call me, or whatnot. So this is how my business structure looks like. Now what I want you to do is you can use bubble.us if you want to, or you can use your notepad if you want to. And by the way, bubble.us is a free website. They don't charge you anything. So if I were you, I would use it, at least try it. For all you know, that could potentially become your favorite website to use. I know it has become mine, but nonetheless, it doesn't matter which resource you use. What I want you to do for your homework, I know that's kind of scary thought, me giving away homework. I never thought I would say that, but anyway, the reason why I'm giving you homework is because I want you to do this so that way your 50% of your website is done, because I want you to build your website as quickly as possible. So if you do this right, I can guarantee you 50% of your website is done. So what I want you to do is, here's your homework. Ready? I want you to think of your business. What kind of things that your business has? Meaning, what is the very first thing that you want your potential client to see when they come to your website? It could be yourname.com, it could be yourbusiness.com, or whatever your business name is. The first thing that you want them to see when they come to your website, and that's going to be your home page. Think about what you want them to put. Do you want them to see a picture? Do you want to see a text that you want them to see? Or do you want them to see a video of you talking about your business? Or whatever else you want them to see. That could be your home page, and we can call that a home page bucket. And another thing, what I want you to do is think of different buckets. Homepage being one bucket. And another bucket could be testimonials, where you can have all your testimonials in there. It could be a letter, video, or picture format, or anything. Another could be about us bucket, where you can tell your potential clients what you are all about, or what you guys offer if you're teamed up with somebody else. And another bucket could be contact us. How can your potential clients contact you? Should they contact you via email, or should they call you? Do you want to list your phone number in there and your email, or do you want to have your contact form where they have to fill it up and then they send it to you and then you reply back to them? So that could be a bucket. So the 4 buckets you want to mostly concentrate on, which every business, I believe, the website, at least the websites that I have done, needs to have, is home, testimonial, about us, contact us. And the 5th one, if you want to, you can throw in services. What kind of services do you guys offer? And obviously these are just the 5 general buckets that I'm referring to. You can add as many buckets as you want. You can add another bucket called portfolio if you wanted to, if you're a model. And you can add anything else. But the 5 main one, that, or at least 4 main ones that every business that I believe needs to have, is home, testimonial, about, and contact. And services, if you want to throw that in, you can. So think about all those buckets and think about what kind of content or the information that you want your potential clients to see when they go to those pages. With that said, in the next video, we'll be looking at how we can take those buckets and start to use them in creating a website for you.